a rolling sea, her waves are made of cloud. She breaks upon the mountain peaks with thunder long and loud. The land below lay beaten down, a desert stripped and bare. But we've been waiting with our stone to catch the bounty there. GrowTree Organics, the rainwater lends to guide. GrowTree Organics, the nature lets us find. To the riches that fall from iron skies that fill the trench and bowl. We took the step towards season 3 to wake the desert soul. 16 inches of rock and sand came crashing through the gate. We saved it for the thieving sun before it was too late. We've anchored down the shifting sand with armor some may know. Protection from the sun and heat, the water sunk below. GrowTree Organics, the rainwater lends to guide. For GrowTree Organics, nature's on our side. To the riches that fall from iron skies to fill the trench and bowl. Stepping on up in season 3 to make the desert whole. The winter's warm, the currents shift, the emerald shoots appear. The ghost of drought is driven back by what we've gathered here. Steady now, hold the line, the green is on the rise. Heave ho, the sky is deep.
Heave ho!
The rain we keep, GrowTree Organics.